In a bustling kingdom, there was a young boy named Arjun who lived with his grandmother in a small cottage. His grandmother was a kind and wise woman, known for her knowledge of old tales and magical objects. One day, while cleaning the attic, Arjun discovered a dusty, ornate mirror hidden behind some old furniture. The mirror was unlike any other Arjun had seen before. It was framed with intricate carvings of mythical creatures and glowing gemstones. Curious, Arjun wiped the dust off the mirror and gazed into it. To his surprise, the reflection was not his own but that of a beautiful enchanted garden. Mesmerized, Arjun reached out to touch the mirror, and as soon as his fingers brushed against the glass, he was pulled inside. He found himself standing in the middle of the garden, surrounded by vibrant flowers, sparkling fountains, and golden sunlight. In the center of the garden stood a majestic tree with shimmering leaves. As Arjun approached, he heard a gentle voice coming from the tree. It was the guardian of the garden, a wise and ancient spirit who protected the magical land. The guardian told Arjun that the mirror was a portal to this enchanted world, but it only opened to those with pure hearts and a desire to help others. The garden had been waiting for someone like Arjun to save it from a curse that had slowly been spreading, threatening to turn the lush paradise into a wasteland. Arjun, being brave and kind-hearted, agreed to help. The guardian gave him 3 magical seeds and instructed him to plant them in the darkest corners of the garden where the curse was strongest. Each seed held the power to bring life and light back to the land. Arjun set off on his mission, facing challenges along the way. He had to cross a river of shadows, climb a mountain of thorns, and navigate a labyrinth filled with illusions. But with determination and the help of friendly creatures he met, Arjun managed to plant the seeds. As soon as the seeds touched the ground, the garden began to heal. The dark corners brightened, the flowers bloomed, and the curse lifted. The guardian thanked Arjun for his bravery and told him that the mirror would always be a gateway to the enchanted garden, should he ever need to return. With a bright flash, Arjun found himself back in his attic, holding the mirror in his hands. He smiled, knowing that he had discovered something truly magical. From that day on, whenever Arjun needed a moment of peace or a reminder of the power of kindness, he would gaze into the mirror and see the enchanted garden forever in bloom.